So as Zach said, 2021, it's kind of been a different year. I think a lot of people at the beginning of the year were talking about POA. I think everyone had a post about POA at the beginning of the year, and it seems
True.
like at the end of the year, it seems like about everyone now is posting about either grubs or army worms or something late. So
Anyway, yeah, Nate, what you were saying, I actually forgot about. Yeah, a lot of people were struggling with POA this year. I felt like that was a that was like the first, oh shit, everybody's got POA, kind of like army worms. It was like that was POA. I know Olee, you had some POA issues here and there, didn't you? Or was that on your
Tremendous,
shop?
a tremendous amount of POA. I guess because we had a warmer winter than normal, and then also tons of rain. I mean, we had a really wet winter.
We always in the spring. I mean, Poa is bad here. Honestly, where I'm at, the two biggest things I deal with in my neighborhood, because I live in a newer development that is just stripped old farmland, and it basically leaves Poa, sedge, and barnyard grass. If you were to go to like an empty lot, just down the street from me, the barnyard grass, that stuff grows. I mean, literally like 5 feet tall. It's so bad here, but I feel like in the spring, like I actually had a pretty bad. This was the first year I actually really hammered out sedge hammer for some of the sedge issues I was having in my backyard. But I feel like this year I was really lucky to not have grubs. I didn't have any of like this, the infestations that people are talking about. But yeah, I mean, I definitely had a really big battle with sedge, and I mean that's just one that like I feel like you can't win. It's gotten better, but man, sedge just sucks.